Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Police, Prestone Tinsong said that the government is committed to resolve the long pending issue for relocation of 342 families of sweepers colony from Them Yo Mawlong at the earliest. Speaking to reporters, Tinsong said that the government had already communicated to the Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC and the leaders from Delhi Gurudwara about the next round of meeting on the matter.
The time we will fix accordingly, but we really wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible. In fact, that we have already communicated. We are yet to receive the date exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the president and the general secretary of the Gurudwara over there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time, so we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.
With a